Deep in the primeval rainforest of Malaysian Borneo, a giant tree stood in silence, awaiting the moment its true height would be revealed. In the Danum Valley Conservation Area, drone-mounted LiDAR scanned the rainforest canopy, capturing billions of laser points to reconstruct a high-precision 3D model of the forest. Through ground point classification, height normalization, and individual tree segmentation, the precise structure of the canopy emerged with unprecedented clarity. Drone and handheld LiDAR systems worked together to build a complete digital model, from forest floor to crown. The final result: a Shorea faguetiana measured at 98.3 meters. To go even further, a drone equipped with the LiDAR branch-cutting system navigated through the complex canopy and successfully collected leaf samples directly from the giant tree. This is recognized as the world's tallest tropical tree and the tallest flowering plant on Earth. Beyond measuring height, the LiDAR data provides an important scientific foundation for rainforest conservation, biomass estimation, and carbon sequestration research. Nature spent more than 130 million years shaping this rainforest. With LiDAR, we can finally document it with precision,